Check, check, check. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? How's everybody doing? What's up, Demetrius? Big boys. Ian, Shirley, Gilly, Segun, Charles, Salish. Hello, Mr. Powell Turk. Popcorn time, he said. How we doing? You guys got a good weekend? Had a good weekend? What's up, D Parker? Everybody okay? Excuse me. 39 degrees, Carl said. Crypto crashing. Yeah. Let's go back here to want to go look at Sui. Let's see here. What's going on, Julius? Yeah, everybody was kind of talking last week, asking where to buy, is it time to buy Sui now? Is it time to buy Sui now? And yeah, you might could have scalped a little bit here and there, but I like doing the scalping on the upside on Coinbase, um, when it's pumping, and those pops are so much bigger. Here's a 4 hour. Let me turn this off. What is doing that for? Update to latest version. I feel you, D Parker. I've not got to watch Josh's video yet. Was it was it good? Did he list anything that he's getting? I saw he was getting SEI earlier. Um, what is that? So Sui. Okay, there's the daily Sui, and we are, man, we're right on the verge. This thing crashing hard. What's up, Rocky? Look, guys, look at this. Yep, good to be Rocky. Good to be back. Good to see you guys. So, I feel like if Sui drops on down here 286, this thing can run all the way back down here to 220. I mean, I'd love to pick some up at 220. I'd love it. I've not bought any. I scalped it time or two on the way down, the moves aren't as good as when the price is moving up, trying to catch those scalps. Ondo to 3, Doge 22 cents, goodbye. Can you please on your live trading give signal when you're entering a SPY trade with expiration date and target? This will be Powell Turk. I will do my best, brother. Um, I I will tell you. I probably won't tell you the expiration date each time, Paul, and I'll show you why. And if you're just starting with me, you'll see this. Let's see here. Is this tomorrow's options? So if we were looking at calls, I will automatically default to between 1 and 3 strikes out of the money. And that's totally also up to you. Like if you want more volatility, you can go out of the money a little further, but don't go crazy out of the money. I usually stay within 1 to 3 strikes out of the money. So, if I'm saying calls and we're looking right now, all you got to do is bring your options up and go, okay, which one do I like to afford more? These are pretty, these are relatively good. When it starts getting later in the day and these start at like 17 cents and 10 cents, I don't buy that stuff. I'm always defaulting to just out of the money. Always. If we were going down on puts, I would I would probably choose the 599s or 600s strikes. And I try to give a signal, yes, when I enter a trade. I really do my best, but 9 out of 10 times I have gave you the level already that I'm watching because if we're 3 seconds behind of me hitting the button, I want you to know the level when we're getting there. So when the level starts breaking, when the level starts crossing, you can take your own, you could take your own entry. You don't have to wait on me. Um, I love there's oftentimes I give levels and miss it myself, and other people make money, and I don't. I like to give my levels and have it in advance for you of what we're looking at. I did have, oh my gosh. Ooh boy. Charles, same day up till around noon, halfway through the day. And at that point, I will start going out one more day. You can you can play zero DTE up through the day, but it starts the time decay starts getting harder to control, and if it takes one little dip in the wrong direction, that contract's not it's just not coming back. So after about 11 or 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, you can go out to the next day expiration. If these options are moving too fast for you and you're thinking, man, I just can't keep up. I just can't keep up. Go ahead and go out another day on expiration, and it's going to slow it down for you nice. I haven't looked at TradingView. Ryan says, yeah, this is the nighttime overnight session. It just dropped. My gosh, man. My goodness. All the way to 592. I had that one marked. So, what's up, Julie? Hmm. So, let's go see, guys. This is what I've got on Suey. It's pretty much hanging on to my last support zone, right in here, down to 280, 284. I've had a lot of people ask me, is it time? Is it time? Is it time? I don't. I would like to get that bad boy down here. I will probably start buying at 250 and bust my buy orders up. I'd really like to see some change in this daily MACD. What's the 2 day now? So look at the 2 day, guys. Here's the 2 day chart. Look at this. Look at this gap right here. Got some right here, 246, 47. This is the this is the volume profile. This is fixed range volume profile, and it allows you to measure from any distance that you want to on the chart. If you go to indicators, you just type in here FIXED fixed range. Here you go, fixed range volume profile. So when you do that, I start from the beginning of the chart and I come back to where I want to measure, and that provides you where a lot of trading where trading has happened, and it's I use it to find supports, and when we're coming into a structure and resistances, it'll usually reveal that to me. I ain't saying it's so cut and dry and that and just super easy, but it's a great tool to have in your tool belt. So this 2 day MACD is firing down now. Josh called this one, guys, like a beast. He called it like a beast. And the up volume is blue, down volume is gold. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit. I use it often uh, just to find my levels. Yep, you're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Let's do a spy here. I'm not sure Trading View lists not time trading. I don't see it. Okay. I really want to get this whole back move here. Actually, let's do this. This should be open. There we go. Here's the futures. Okay. It looks like, oh, it caught right here. 59.53. Okay. Everybody doing okay? Give me just a second. So, yeah. Well, we gapped down pretty hard. Yeah, you see where it caught? This is the same chart on futures, right? This is the SPY. You see this big volume bar right here. Now let's flip back to futures, which is live already. You'll see right where it caught. Same spot. Right here's your last piece. This is a make or break zone here. This thing starts folding up. This thing breaks. We're gonna drop. Dadgone, what a fall. Let's get that move. Okay, let's go to Weeble. Now, hmm, okay, guys. Looky there. We already had a line there, guys. We already had one there. So this was 127. Look at my calendar here. Last Monday. So there's last week's lows. You got this was a pretty bullish week. You had 589. Well, that was in a nighttime session. 591 back to highs of whatever that is, 610. Almost an identical move from here. You see this, guys? Support is support till it's broke. Now, if we lose 590, so you got right here. Right here, we already had that marked. And here's your third one. If this thing loses, if we lose 590, we can come back to 585 pretty easy. Okay. Oh, Bitcoin. Woo! Wow. Well, I guess we should have been shorting this, guys. Still dropping. Wow. What's SEI doing now? Yeah, we might have some really good opportunities this week. What all did Josh, what was he looking at? Does anybody remember? I didn't get to see the video yet. Ondo, scroll up to your post. You're welcome, Paul. You're welcome, brother. Charles, that's not a bad idea. Josh's buy zones. SUI 3 down to 250. Well, that makes me feel pretty good, right? Isn't that what I just said? Here's Suey. Man, I've got 235 marked. If you go to that, let's do the, let's get most of this up move here. Yeah, really, really good support is here, man. At 240, 250. We could definitely see bounce here. Like I want to be setting some alerts. Ondo 1 to 109. Let's see what Ondo looks like, guys. Yeah. Where did he have Ondo at? 1 to 109. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. So yeah, anybody buying crypto, you should probably be setting your alerts because this is falling hard. Charles, if I missed your question, yeah, usually the same day up till about noon. Yeah. SEI. What's up, Dave? So Bitcoin to 93. Doge at 23 cents here. Mm, man, it's getting awfully attractive, isn't it? Okay. There goes Suey. Boom. Ondo coming on. Daggone. Suey, baby. Drop. Drop it. Yeah, S&P futures are taking a hit. They took a horrible drop. Um, let's get Suey up again. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I'm not sure that this will bounce, but it's getting an awfully good spot. My gosh. You see the floor fall out of that? This was live, guys. We just look at this, baby. I can't believe we caught this. You guys see this in action. Did you see it? You saw it drop this level I was just showing you a second ago, right? See this big volume gap now? That's kind of cool that it happened live. Everybody got to see it. Bam. Come on, baby. Come on down. Looky there. Give me just a second, guys. We'll go back over to the SPY in just a minute. Yeah, H bar. Yep. H bar's a good one. Boom, baby. I just went. I was short. I was a little short on some of these. I was short on Trump coin just now. Give me just a second, guys. Anybody that's got a question, feel free to put it in the comments. If I can help you, please let me know. Come on, fall, baby. Hey, Jorge, what's up, my man? Yep, she's wicking up. I just closed my short on Trump, and what are we getting? Bounce time, baby. Maybe. Let's see what we got here. How's Jorge doing? Mike, yeah, I was short on BloFin on Trump coin just now. Why can I not trade? Right there it is. I feel you, Jorge. Solana 180, yeah. Yeah, man. So that was cool. We just saw that happen, everybody, with the volume profile that I was showing you. Um, Now we'll see if it holds or not. That was literally right in our face when it just did that. Where was the bounce? You seen this big shelf right here, right, guys? This was what I've been waiting on. Because I'm thinking 3 months, 5 months, this thing, I don't see why we wouldn't see $4 to $5 again. We could be in for some more pain, but you got to use a stop loss. Right in our face. That's right, big boys, right in our face. So here we go. It was a nice one. It was a nice bounce. Nice bounce. We'll see if it holds though. Let's go back and look at the SPY again, guys. So ultimately, I want you to put this. I want you to put this level on your chart for tomorrow. 590. Might as well make it 590 even. So you've got this. I guess 591 was the bounce so far. Yeah. So 591 and then 590. Let's go back and see what else we can find on it. Y'all see that big cucumber there, right? 581.50. 585, guys. 585 right here. All right, that's my number under. If we break under 590, I think we can flush to 585 pretty quick. Okay, so mark that on your charts, and it looks like it wants to come on. I don't know, maybe it may it may flush on down. We'll see. What's XRP doing? Massive. Yeah, hit the like button for me. Yes. If you don't mind, I really appreciate it. You guys know I love you. I come on here stream with you all the time. I love it. I was looking for, here we go. Julie, I think 590 is my level right now, and then 585 under that. Now, we may find something in between, but when I go back, let's see here. This is Suey. How oversold did we get? Yeah. Look how oversold we are in the 1 hour, guys. Ooh, that was a flush. As the daily. Okay. So like to me, even the daily is in oversold territory now. We're under 30 on the RSI, guys. Under 30. ADA at 60. D Parker, I've not touched ADA since the first. I sold my ADA on the first good pump, luckily, because I remember it being so slow and it never would come out of the winter, it seemed like. And I took, I bought most of mine at 30 and 33 cents, I think, and sold at 80 or 82, somewhere in there. Um, it's just, there's so many other plays that pay better than ADA. It's such a slow mover. What's up, Marshall Law? I know you got some VIX in your pocket, don't you, brother? I love it. So, man, I hope everybody's had a good weekend. I just wanted to take a minute, come on with everybody. Uh, looks like Suey wants to come on more. I wanted to hit a few levels, see if anybody's got any questions from this past week or any setups. Did anybody catch this fall Friday? I caught some. I probably caught a pretty good piece of it. Can anybody? I mean, this was news driven, right? So it's hard to see those things coming. Nice, nice. Yeah, Suey's still coming. Drop it, baby. Drop it. Boom. Yeah, I'll tell you guys, if you've not gotten on BloFin, you need to set that up before the crypto winter comes. Boom. I just went short on Suey. That was a nice run. Drop on down, baby. Drop on down. Because when the winter comes and you want to go short on crypto, there's going to be there's going to be some massive opportunities. You know, Josh will be on here guiding us some um, of how he plans to exit on Bitcoin and when you know he and Mark when they think it's pretty near the top. They've been, you know, I've been following Josh ever since he came on Larry's first show, and dude has seen it. incredibly all through the winter. He called the whole thing. He called, he was Bitcoin buying at 15K. Other people were looking for 10K, 12K. And I remember Josh saying, what's the what's the difference of buying it at 15 or 12 or 15 at 10 when when the cycle comes. I mean, it's already hit what, 106. So sometimes you just gotta uh, follow the rules, follow the disciplines, and stick it out. And he was right. He was exactly right. This thing, he was right on Suey. He's called Suey the whole time from 60 cents, I think, all the way from 60 cents. So okay, guys, that pretty much got to my levels. It could come on down 170. I have started buying Suey. I'm not in my full position, but I have started buying it. Gary, I have no action plan when the market opens, brother. Uh I will have a plan pre-market when we get there. I mean, we can't play nothing right now. My two levels I gave a few minutes ago. Looks like one's about to get broke now. So 590 was my next line in the sand, and 580, 585 after that. So we'll reanalyze when the market opens and go from there. We'll see what pre-market does. We'll see if we're going to bounce some. D Parker, yeah, it's BloFin's really simple to use. The tricky part with BloFin is funding it. There's no there's no difference, and I don't have much in mind, but there's I just wanted to be able to get it started and have a little bit in it to play with it some and do a little trading. And here's uh, here's how it looks. Let me reload the page, refresh it. Yeah, I really like it. It's a really good. I mean, it's got trading view baked right into it. So you can adjust on the bottom of any block. You can take and drag from the right corner around and move your chart around. Oh man, there was a heck of a candle on Suey. Did anybody catch that? Let's see what it's doing here. So if we were going to buy, here we go. It's that easy to make a buy. I just got in a trade here on Suey. So here's your order. You can market sell and market buy over here. You sell to go short, you buy to go long. It's pretty simple. It gives you some quick percentages here, so you can add to your position. If you come here to the bar, you can, if something goes haywire, you want to reverse, you can reverse. Yeah, me too, Circle Pit. You can reverse your position. You can set a take profit. You just click, drag it up. There we go. And then here's your stop loss. So you can, you know, it's pretty easy to navigate though. But this is futures, and you got leverage with this, so it makes it very, can be very dangerous if you're not good at managing risk. It's really not good to go in big and walk away from a trade because they will liquidate you. If this trade goes really south, opposite of what you're wanting, then it'll liquidate your account. So you have to be careful with futures. And then to get in and out of a position, you know, you can always just set your stop loss and move it up. Tuesday and Thursday is my normal day, but I'm also going to try to I'm going to try to go live tomorrow morning also, and then I'm with Josh Wednesday and Friday usually. How else can you fund it? It sent my I sent my SUI to it. Is there another way to fund it? Yeah, Mike. The best way I know to fund it is is from Coinbase. Excuse me. You go to Coinbase and under spot under spot you'll buy USDT coin, and I can help you set it up, man. If you just at me on Discord, and I don't mind to help you. And we're almost ready to go with the coaching channel too. So if anybody's interested, um, but you just go to USDT coin on Coinbase, buy that, and then you transfer that over to BloFin. You have to go to BloFin on your what's it called? Go to your wallet, funding, and then you hit deposit, and then you select USDT, or you type it in and select USDT. If you're coming from Coinbase to BloFin, you have to do it on the Ethereum network. Okay. So you have to do it on the Ethereum network, and you choose it. It gives you an address to copy and paste, and then you go to your Coinbase and send your USDT from that address over to BloFin. When you get it into BloFin, then you just drop it into your futures account. It's like you have three accounts in there, I think: Spot, the overview of funding, Spot, and then futures. D Parker, if I would assume you can, um, if you can buy USDT there, then I don't know why you couldn't. It's the same. Hey girl, cat's in here. It'd be the same process. Um, so I Robinhood may use something other. You might can use another uh, instead of the Ethereum network to transfer it. You might can use something else. Um, but on Coinbase, for some reason, so you hit deposit, USDT. You got Tron, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, AVAX, Solana, and Optimism. So there's 8 or so, 10 networks to choose from, but for some reason Coinbase wants to use the Ethereum. Yeah, Sui. Yeah, me too, Mike. I've been waiting on that level. If you've been with me any at all, you can see look where my line is. I think I was pretty close. Well, I think I had 234. We got to 240. So there you go. If you've been with me, we've been looking at it off and on for quite a while now, and I think I got it pretty close. Got it pretty close. All right, guys. Any other questions? Um, you know, this shelf right here is, you don't want to lose it. Honestly, if we start losing to 220, I'll probably let a stop loss kick me and re-enter. Just 'cause I'm not riding this down to 170 to see if it holds. I'm not going to do it. So, if it wants to come on, I mean, there's nothing saying it can't come through this. It certainly can. But it's pretty, I mean, that's the daily. The daily can, I mean, this RSI can come on down. Maggie, what are you doing, girl? Crazy crypto. Zachary, H bar is bouncing too. Are we looking at the bottom? Zachary, this was my level for Sui. I don't keep up with H bar much, but this is definitely my buy zone for Sui. Come on, girl. Come on. All right. All right. Um, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So let's look at Weeble one more time here, guys. Julie, yeah, I should be live in the morning. We'll trade this. I was going to see, did anybody, when that news came out the other day, it's hard, it's hard to catch those moves like that, guys, no doubt about it. Um, but let's get this right. 607. Yeah. So I noticed the other day, this was Friday, you know, we sort of double topped here. I think even on the 1 hour, it looked like a nice double top. Man, this thing is lagging. Right here, right here. I knew we were coming into resistance here. So even though it was news driven, watching it on 3 and 5 minute candles up here, it gave you a pretty good indication it was coming down. This is why I run the 200. If my 5-minute chart starts breaking the 200 and continues, it's pretty doggone it's pretty doggone bearish. Um, it'll often bounce a lot on on the 200 on the 5-minute chart. There we go, Suey. Come on, baby, pump. I love it. All right. So this wouldn't make any new highs, guys. It got up here, rejected the same level, and then we started losing the 9 EMA. Next, we lost VWAP. If you just took this uh, when it started crossing VWAP on this one candle, and then you ride the 9 EMA, guys. That's why I put the 9 on the chart, just for a trend, guys. And if you moved your stop up as this thing fell, I'm sorry, here's a 5-minute. My bad. I was on a 3. Right there. This one candle broke the 9 and VWAP. Gave you a little trouble on the 200. So you could enter there. That's probably the logical, sensible explanation, because lows of the day, looking back at this and saying, why should I have entered? Here was bottom of morning structure, pretty much low of the day and pre-market. Once this thing started clearing that's a pretty good indication we're coming down. Pretty good indication. So this was just pure momentum to trade that on Friday. Pure momentum. 5, where are we at? All right, guys, put this on your chart. 590, then 585. Those are my next 2 levels down. And we'll see what pre-market looks like. Thorn trap, you buying ETH? I feel you. I feel you. All right, guys. That's it for me for tonight. Put your level on your chart. 590. If we hold above it through pre-market, that's gonna be the floor for me, but we need to see what it's gonna do. We need to see what it's gonna do in the morning, okay? Thanks, Jorge. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. If you go to the description, you can see how to support me. If you're interested in upgrading, my link for Josh's Discord is in there. You can use it to upgrade. Go to VIP. Thanks, Marshall. I agree, Justin. It makes it rough, but my tip jars are in there, and my link for Josh's Discord is in there, and then I've got a Weeble link in there too. If you go and hit the description under the video you're watching, that's how you can support me. That's how a lot of people have already shown me love and supported me. I really appreciate it. Um, this is how I'm with you guys every day now. It's how we're live trading so much, and uh, I love it, man. I love you guys, love this community, and I'm here with you. So we are going to we're going to be live in the morning. Come join me. We'll see. We'll wait till pre-market and get our levels. Paul, I'm just saying 590 is my support for right now. I'm not calling no puts or calls right now. Like I need to see pre-market in the morning to start determining what I want to do. So, if the market was open right now and I said, hey, this is breaking 590 to the downside and we have uh, momentum and all that good stuff, then I would say yeah. But as of right now, we got to wait for pre-market and see what the market wants to give us. So, we could be sitting on good support here and bounce all the way back towards 599. Very easy. Here's 598.75. It's a big gap down. So, you know, uh, look at that gap. Makes sense to me. We could get a bounce. We'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow morning. All right. Love you guys. Appreciate you. Come see me tomorrow morning. We'll make some money. D Parker, my dog. Thank you, brother. Thanks for supporting me, man. Thank you. That means a lot. Hey, we've been pretty consistent, man. Everybody's been making money. We've been pretty doggone consistent here. So, you know, there's a lot of people on my lives making a lot more money than I am. I promise you that. Just we take it slow. We try to make good decisions. Everything's not a winner. Everything's not 100%, but we've been pretty accurate. We help each other, so that's why I love this community. All right, guys, hit that like button for me, and much love. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the morning, okay? Julie, we'll see you in the morning. I yeah, I don't know. I want to see what pre-market does. Okay.